No, no, I give up. No, 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 I give up. No, no, can't deny it. No, no, I give up. No, 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 I give up.
Hi everyone, this is Darshit Shah in front of you, and in this video I'm going to share the difference between coaching and mentoring. Now there is lots of confusion going out there on this topic and everybody has their own version. But I'm going to break all those confusions. In this video, I'm going to show you in an absolutely clear manner that what is the exact difference between coaching and mentoring. And to help you understand this, let me show you a graph. Now, on the y-axis, it is ask versus tell. On the x-axis, it is problem versus solution. So the first quadrant, that is ask problem quadrant, that's all about counseling. So a counselor asks you certain questions on your problem to help you come out of that problem. That's quadrant 1. Quadrant 2 is tell problem quadrant. It's all about consulting. A consultant tells you certain steps so that you can come out of that problem. Now let's come on the other side. Other side you have ask solution. Now ask solution is all about coaching. A coach asks you certain set of questions and then leads you to the solution. And the last quadrant is tell solution. Tell solution is all about mentoring. A mentor tells you certain steps so you can come up to the solution which you want to get into your life. Now the focus of this video is majorly into coaching and mentoring, so I'm going to focus more on that. So now first of all, let us understand what is mentoring. Now if you can see in the graph, it is a tell solution graph. So a mentor is somebody who tells you what to do and you do it and you get the results that you want in your life. Now you choose the mentor whose footsteps you want to follow, blindly follow the steps he or she has followed in their life and you achieve what they have achieved. In that case, it's your mentor. You choose a mentor. Now coach is something very different. A coach will never give you direct steps. A coach will ask you certain questions. On the basis of answers that you give to those questions, you come up to the right solution. So coach will make you think. It will make your mental cords running. You have to apply your mind towards the question the coach has asked you, and then you come up to the solution. But a mentor, he or she will just give you steps. Follow these steps, follow this particular system, and you will achieve what they have achieved. So now next time when you choose a mentor or a coach, ask yourself, is there somebody who has already done absolutely the same thing which I want to do in my life? Then you choose a mentor. But somebody who's not achieved something in their life but has capability, has tools, has systems, has everything possible that you need to achieve that particular thing in your life, then he or she may be your coach. So if you see, there are so many business coaches, life coaches, and coaches on other parameters and other factors of our life. Have they gone through the same thing that you have gone through in your life? No. But they know the right solutions. They have the tools, they have the techniques, they have the capabilities to lead you to the right solution. So a right statement would be that coach leads you to the right solution, mentor tells you the steps so that you come up to the solution. That's the basic difference between a coaching and mentoring. So if this video has cleared your doubt between coaching and mentoring, please comment that what insights you have got from this video. Do like, do share, do subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of my future videos. So until we meet next time, this is Darshit Shah signing off. All the best and see you soon.